Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the vast unexplored depths of our oceans? In 1997, an eerie and powerful sound was detected by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, echoing from the deep Pacific Ocean. They called it the Bloop. This low-frequency sound was so loud that it was picked up by underwater microphones over 3,000 miles apart. Initially, scientists speculated it could be the noise of a massive, unknown sea creature, or a phenomenon we've yet to understand. Imagine the suspense and wonder as researchers tried to unravel this underwater enigma. Ultra-realistic visuals show the vast ocean with rippling waves as the mysterious sound reverberates, creating an atmospheric tension. However, later studies suggested that the sound was consistent with the noise generated by large icebergs cracking and breaking away from Antarctic glaciers. Yet the mystery lingers. Could there still be undiscovered giants lurking in the ocean's abyss? The visuals transition to icy landscapes, then delve deep below the surface, enhancing the suspense. The Bloop remains a captivating testament to nature's unexplained mysteries, sparking our imagination about what lies hidden under the sea.